Hi, welcome and congratulations creating an account in BizSight 365. My name is Ranjit Charles and I will be your host for the next few minutes to guide you through the most common tasks within BizSight 365. The quick start navigation is this collection of only the few common tasks to get you started. Now, once you get familiar, you will navigate the product through the left and the top navigation selections of the various home pages that we have. So let's go ahead and get started. The first tab is your track sales. Within that, you have the ability to add a logo, invoice customers. And you'll see within the invoice customers, you can view an invoice that you've created, add products, customers. You can go to reports, and then you can also go to the normal navigation, which is your customer homepage. In this particular case, the top and the left navigation. You can also get back to quick start. And if I go into the track expenses, now again, it's grouped by expenses. You can have different ways to enter expenses. You can view expenses, add products. So go back to the normal navigation that the product offers, the left navigation and the top navigation. Going back to the quick start page, looking at the last tab for journals and financials. You can view the accounts, chart of accounts. You can enter journals here or view the existing journals. Um, get to the reports, and some of the two common reports that you're going to access, profit and loss and balance sheets, are easily accessible here. You can also get to our video pages, and at any given point in time you can turn this whole quick start off by selecting the do not show this page again. Next, let's dive into adding an invoice. Here you have options to add an invoice. We're adding ABC company, which is not in the system, so it's giving an option to add it. This is not the full customer screen, but this is a way that you can quickly add a customer with the basic customer name and address and some phone number, email. So United States, we're going to add an email and save it. It's now pulled into the order. We are going to add the item that we're going to invoice them for. In this case, it's a service. We're doing some repair service. We add this item. Let's go ahead and add a second item, and we're just going to add parts. And then notice in the second line item, if I want to, I can be more descriptive. I can change what is there. I can also select an item that we've already added to the system. We will put some notes at the bottom for the order. Thank them for the order. You can email it. We're going to go ahead and save it. Here's your confirmation page. Next, we're going to take a look at and view the invoices we've created. Pull it up, look at it, close it. We're done with that process. When you select on email, the very first time you'd be asked to configure email, select continue in that pop-up that shows up. That allows you to configure your Gmail or Outlook. So here I'm configuring Gmail. You will be asked to do your two-factor verification, enter the app, which is BizSight 365, add it, and then you're given a password. Then that password is what we call a generated password, and then you would enter that, copy that from there and paste it here, and then you continue. You're all set. Next, we're going to take a look at the track expenses tab. Here I'm going to enter an expense. Again, I am going to add a vendor that doesn't exist. We just call them a replacement part store. You don't need to put an address here, but we're choosing to. So address, city, state, zip, and I'm going to United States, and I'm going to skip the other information. This screen actually allows you to record expenses by just an account, and that's what we're doing here. You also can select that radio button there and enter an item, add an item, and then enter the expense. So similar to the invoice, we're now coming in viewing the invoice. You can do all that within Quick Start, and there you go. And lastly, we're going to look at the journals finance tab, and here we're going to just go straight to the profit and loss. You can drill down into this. This again, you've got all the other reports. This just gives you a way to get to it, get to the basic ones easily. I hope this quick start video will help you do it right, get you started right. and then get you going quickly. If you need any help, do not hesitate to email support@biztechnologies.co. Again, appreciate you watching this video, and once again, thank you for selecting BizSight, and we wish you all the best.